Hey Bob, how you going?
How are you, man?
Good to see you here.
Yeah, you too.
So what are you up to?
I want to start my own small business. I understand that I'll need to record details about transactions that occur, but how do I know whether to record those items as assets or liabilities, or equity or income or expenses?
Yeah, well you do need to know those things, so I'll take you through the process really quickly. When recording financial information, it must be relevant and is enhanced if it is comparable, verifiable, timely and understandable. So note that. Assets can be defined as the resources owned and or controlled by a business. Key characteristics associated to an asset include future economic benefits, under control of an entity, and is a result of past transactions. For your item to be recognised as an asset, it must fit under these three characteristics. For example, a pizza shop owns tables, chairs, ovens, and cash, which are all assets to that shop. So you're starting to understand what an asset is, Bob?
Yeah, I think I get it.
Cool. Liabilities are also a result from a past transaction, however, result in an outflow of economic benefits. For example, businesses of all sizes usually borrow money and purchase goods on credit, which are called accounts. For example, businesses of all sizes usually borrow money and purchase goods on credit, which are called accounts payable. For your business to start up, you may need to make a loan from a bank. For example, a pizza shop must purchase ingredients such as ham, flour, drinks on credit from suppliers, which are accounts payable. The shop may also have to pay rent if they don't own the premises. Owner's equity, however, is a residual interest in assets of the business after the deduction of its liabilities. Because equity is defined as a residual interest, it is recognised that equity is defined in terms of assets and liabilities. Owner's equity is more of a formula which creates the accounting equation, which is equal to the total asset minus liabilities. Essentially, to find owner's equity, you subtract the creditor's claims, which are liabilities, from your assets. Presenting the accounting equation in this way reinforces the fact that the purpose of any business is to increase owner's equity. Businesses do this by delivering goods or services to customers. So you're starting to figure out what owner's equity is now, Bob?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, good. Now I'll talk to you about income for a bit, Bob. When starting a new business, the owner will have to record all of their income. Income can be seen as an increase in economic benefits during the accounting period in the form of inflows or enhancements of assets or decreases of liabilities that result in increases in equity. An example of income sources that a small business such as a pizza shop may have is pizza sales. This can be categorized as income because an increase in economic benefits has occurred. The business has gained on an asset, which is money, and it contributes to an increase in equity through profit, and was contributed by customers, not owners of the business. Finally, I'll talk to you about expenses, which are also essential as a business owner. Expenses must be recorded by all business owners, small or large. Expenses are decreases in economic benefits during the accounting period in the form of outflows or depletions of assets, or incurrence of liabilities that results in decreases in equity. Essential characteristics of an expense includes decreases in economic benefits, decreases in assets, or alternatively an increase in liabilities, and also that it results in a decrease in equity, but also not including distribution to owners. An example of an expense at a pizza shop may be money spent on fuel for delivery cars. This fits all the essential characteristics for an expense as it decreases economic benefits, lowers assets, as in money, and causes a reduction in equity through lowered profits and was not a distribution to the business's owners. Anyway, Bob, I think that's about all you need to know in terms of running a small business. Good luck with it all, mate. I'll see you in class.
You're a big help.
No worries.